Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and welcome to my channel. Now, in today's question, we're going to be answering what is affiliate marketing. This is the beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Now, whether or not you've heard that term maybe mentioned somewhere before, perhaps you've even tried this thing called affiliate marketing, or whether or not you haven't even got a clue what I am talking about, I can guarantee in this video you're going to discover exactly why this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. So let's dive over to the whiteboard, let's pull up the whiteboard and let's talk about what is this thing that you might have heard being called affiliate marketing really all about. Now, affiliate marketing really is quite simple. You are simply providing a link. So you're going to be a link between somebody who wants to actually buy something. So let's call these a customer. Now, you've probably been a customer yourself for many things online. Maybe you bought a product from Amazon, maybe from another online retailer. You've been a customer because you were in the market, and what you were looking for is you were actually searching for some kind of product, right? You're looking for some sort of solution to a particular problem that you have. You're looking for some kind of way to fix that. So it could be a particular product, it could be a particular service, it doesn't matter what it actually is, but that is what you've been searching for online. Now, the job of an affiliate marketer is simply to be that link between somebody who wants to buy a product and someone who has a product to sell. So let's call this one over here, this is the customer, okay, and this is the seller, or you can call them the vendor or the product creator, whatever you want to call it, the name doesn't really matter. And this part here in the middle, okay, this is you, alright, this is you as the affiliate. Now, the beauty of what this is when you bring a customer and you bring a seller together, you are going to get paid. You're going to make a commission for introducing that customer to that seller. Now, you're probably already thinking, but Dan, how do I get a link? What products do I sell? How do I sell them? How do I share my link? How do I get that out there? How do I build a list of people? Slow down, okay? Over the next few weeks training, we're going to go step by step through the exact process that you need to follow to get the results that you're after. And that means that you don't go for this information overload, we don't go crazy and try and get all these little bits and cram them together. We're going to take this step by step. Now, before we even start going into talking about how to get a link and how to choose products and how to get that link and share it with people, or to build up a list of subscribers, people who want to hear what you've got to say, who want to buy your products or want to buy other people's products through you as the affiliate, we're going to first of all talk about affiliate networks. Now, I said before about Amazon. Amazon has an amazing affiliate program, and within that affiliate program it allows you to earn a commission when you recommend any of their products. So you're talking about millions and millions of products to people, and when people make a sale, you're going to get paid a commission. Now, Amazon is not the only network. In fact, there are hundreds of thousands of affiliate networks all over the world. So you've got everything covered. Whatever niche it is that you're interested in, whatever products it is that you're interested in, there is literally going to be something for you. Now, there are literally so many networks. Things that you might have heard about, maybe some things you haven't. Things like Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, Best Buy, Warrior Plus, eBay, and so many more. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. These are some of the biggest names in the affiliate marketing space. But really, there is so many different programs out there. Now, some of these you may not even heard about, but don't worry. Over the course of the next few weeks, we're going to be checking out each of these programs in detail and finding out just how valuable they really are. Now, everything works the same way regardless of what network you're using. So the first thing that you need to talk about is you are here over on the left hand side. So on the left hand side of the screen here, this is going to be you guys, okay? Let me just put a little box around it so it makes it easier. This is you as the affiliate marketer. Now, you're going to get your message out through any number of different ways, and in fact, over the next few weeks, we're going to be talking about them in more detail, but just to give you an idea, that could be email marketing, that could be making sort of videos or some sort of video marketing or running ads. It could be writing blog content or giving away PDFs, that different sort of methods. It could be sending messages or subscribers, maybe using apps or mobile ads to get the people connected with you. Now you're going to send messages, or you're going to send your link through to these people, okay? These are going to be your subscribers. Now I'm just going to put these people in blue just so we can keep them separate. These are people who are buyers. These are people that are interested in what you've got to say. They're going to be interested in certain products. And again, I'm going to show you how to build up your list of subscribers. So don't worry too much about that for the moment. Now what's going to happen is these people are going to go through your link to the websites that you've sent them to. And what they're going to give is they're going to actually give money to the vendor. They're going to give money to the product creator, to the person who's actually created this particular product. Now let's just put them in green, so I'll do the same again, put a box around them, just so you can clearly see the difference. So in red on the left hand side is you. You're going to be the affiliate, and you're going to send that link through to these people that are here in blue. These are what we call subscribers, and that's exactly what we're going to show you how to build, is a list of subscribers, of hungry buyers, people that want to hear your message and want to buy through you. And then what happens is when a sale is completed with the vendor, the product creator, the seller, what happens then is they're going to send you money. So they're going to send you a part of that sale back. Now it's usually a certain percentage, and the percentages can vary. They can go anything from sort of 1 to 2% all the way to 100% of those sales. And it really just depends on what you're promoting there. But obviously there's a huge potential to earn money, and even if it's just 1%, right, it could be a $10,000 product. So definitely never snigger at a 1%. And this is very simply how the system works. You're going to send links to people that are going to be interested in certain products, and when you do and those people buy, you will get paid a commission. Okay guys, well that pretty much brings us toward the end of today's video. Now I do hope you found this information helpful, and it has given you a good basic idea of what this term affiliate marketing is all about. Now if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below and click that notification bell so you get informed about when we upload new and fresh content. Now we're going to be bringing out more content in the next few days that's going to further expand on this training and show you guys step by step how to get started with affiliate marketing. Now to find out what products we use, what services we recommend, and to make sure that you're subscribed to get updates of when new, fresh and free training is available, click the link down in the description below, enter in your email address on the page there, and we will see you on the next video. Make sure you drop a comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, give it a like if you enjoyed the content, and we will speak with you soon. Thanks for watching, wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day, and we will be in touch very soon. Bye for now.